This is the audio cassette player by Reshow. So for people like me who are very old and we had the cassettes, this is kind of like a Walkman. It will play music and it does come with simple headphones that you just plug into play, has a USB-C cable to attach to your computer. So the reason why I got this is that my family has a lot of cassettes where we spoke and recorded messages to send abroad to our grandparents, and we wanted to digitize that. And so I got this. So you can actually use this to record out loud onto a cassette. Not sure why anybody would want to do that now with your smartphones and easy to record apps and features like that, but you do have that capability if you wanted to. The reason for me, again, is to transfer the tape to digital, and so it does work. You basically put your cassette in, install the app to your Windows. You can use it for Mac as well, and the instructions are pretty clear. You would just put your cassette in, and you'll be able to be prompted by the application or software on your computer where you can start to digitize your cassettes. Just be careful that you don't put this in record mode and tape over your previous cassettes. So really great. You do need to have batteries, AA batteries, that are not included, and other than that you do have everything that you need. So fortunately I'm just going to use this for 2 or 3 cassettes, but I did want to get that done so before they get damaged or ruined, and this is the best way we found to do that.
Alright, here we have the Reshow cassette player and also converter. So this here is for playing cassette that has a built-in speaker already in it. So your standard play, record, fast forward, rewind, and stop buttons here. You have a volume adjuster on the side here. It comes with these little headphones as well, little wired headphones. They're honestly not great quality. I would not recommend using these. But what this is actually for is, you know, for playing on the actual speakers themselves. Fantastic. You have 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter wire here, and you have your USB-C to USB-A for the what do you call it here, the functionality where you can transfer your contents of your tape to your PC. So overall, honestly, this thing is pretty good. I had some old tapes that I had some recordings on that I wanted to, you know, keep and share with some of my family. So it has been fantastic. It takes 2 AA batteries, which are not included. So make sure you have some 2 AA batteries in here. This is how you open it from the side right here. Insert your cassette right here, and you just hit the play button, and that's it.
You seem pretty confident on the internet. You thought it was okay to come over here and DJ at Major 29? I just hope this isn't all too good to be true, Easy.
I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know. I had to sleep on my own, 'cause if you like the way you look at me.
Guy rubbed his nose and then stuck his hands in his overall pockets as if to warm them. This is Kinsey Milhone. She's a private detective from Santa Teresa.